Today, we're jumping into a time machine and setting our sights on March 2026. Why? Because something remarkable is happening in the digital asset space, specifically with Tether Gold or XAUt. We're witnessing a massive surge, and the big question on everyone's mind is, why now? What are the driving forces behind this incredible rally? In this video, we're going to dissect the key factors, connect the dots, and paint a clear picture of why XAUt is becoming the talk of the town. So grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive deep into the future of digital gold. First, let's make sure we're all on the same page. What exactly is Tether Gold? Simply put, XAUt is a digital token, a stablecoin. But instead of being pegged to a fiat currency like the US dollar, each XAUt token represents direct ownership of 1 troy ounce of physical gold. This gold is securely held in a Swiss vault, audited and verifiable. So, when you own XAUt, you essentially own gold, but with all the benefits of a digital asset. It's easily transferable, divisible, and can be traded 24/7 anywhere in the world. It has the best of both worlds, the timeless stability of gold combined with the modern efficiency of blockchain technology. This fundamental concept is crucial to understanding its recent surge. Now, let us get to the heart of the matter, the global economic climate of early 2026. The past couple of years have been a roller coaster, to say the least. After a period of aggressive interest rate hikes by central banks around the world to combat the inflation of the early 2020s, we entered a phase of economic slowdown. Now, in March 2026, the whispers of recession are growing louder. Major economies are showing signs of stagnation, corporate earnings are under pressure, and unemployment figures are beginning to tick upwards. In this environment of uncertainty, what do investors historically do? They flee to safety. They look for safe haven assets that can preserve their wealth when traditional markets are volatile. And the king of safe haven assets has always been gold. For centuries, gold has been the ultimate store of value, a hedge against inflation, currency devaluation, and geopolitical instability. As the global economic outlook becomes murkier in 2026, we're seeing a massive institutional and retail flight to safety. Investors are pulling capital out of equities and other risk-on assets and pouring it into gold. This isn't just a trend. It's a predictable pattern we've seen time and time again throughout history. The demand for physical gold is skyrocketing, and its price is reflecting that. But here's where things get interesting for XAUt. While the price of physical gold is climbing, acquiring and storing it comes with challenges. You have to deal with dealers, worry about secure storage, pay insurance fees, and if you want to sell, the process can be slow and cumbersome. This is where the digital nature of Tether Gold shines. Why go through the hassle of buying a gold bar and locking it in a safe when you can buy XAUt with a few clicks? It offers all the price exposure to gold without any of the logistical headaches. This convenience factor is a massive catalyst. A new generation of tech-savvy investors, as well as seasoned institutional players, are recognizing that XAUt is simply a more efficient way to own gold. They get the safety they crave with the speed and liquidity they were used to in the digital world. Let's talk about another crucial piece of the puzzle, the regulatory landscape. By 2026, the regulatory fog that once surrounded digital assets has begun to clear significantly. Major financial jurisdictions have established clearer frameworks for stablecoins and tokenized assets. This increased regulatory clarity has been a game changer. It has given large institutions, pension funds, asset managers, and even corporate treasuries the green light they needed to enter the space. These big players, who were once hesitant to touch anything crypto-related, now see tokenized real-world assets like XAUt as legitimate and compliant investment vehicles. They see a regulated, audited asset that represents ownership of physical gold, and they are allocating significant capital towards it. This institutional inflow is like pouring gasoline on a fire, dramatically increasing demand and driving the price of XAUt upward in lockstep with gold. Furthermore, let's consider the evolution of the decentralized finance, or DeFi, ecosystem. By March 2026, DeFi is no longer a niche corner of the crypto world. It has matured, become more secure, and integrated more seamlessly with traditional finance. Within this evolved DeFi landscape, XAUt has carved out a vital role. It's being used as a form of high-quality collateral for lending and borrowing protocols. Think about it. Instead of borrowing against volatile cryptocurrencies, users can post XAUt, a stable, gold-backed asset, to take out loans. This reduces risk for both the lender and the borrower. We are also seeing XAUt integrated into yield farming strategies and liquidity pools, offering a stable foundation in an otherwise volatile environment. This deep integration into the plumbing of DeFi creates a constant underlying demand for the token that is independent of speculative trading. Another significant factor is geopolitical tension. Unfortunately, the world of early 2026 is not without its conflicts and trade disputes. Tensions in several key regions have created uncertainty in global supply chains and currency markets. During such times, faith in government-issued fiat currencies can waver. Investors in affected regions, and even those watching from the sidelines, look for assets that are outside the control of any single nation or central bank. Gold has always served this purpose. But again, moving physical gold across borders is difficult, if not impossible, during times of crisis. XAUt, on the other hand, can be sent anywhere in the world with an internet connection in a matter of minutes. It has become a crucial tool for capital preservation and flight for people living under unstable political or economic regimes, providing a level of financial sovereignty that was previously unimaginable. This unique use case is adding another powerful layer of demand. We also can't ignore the technological advancements within the Tether ecosystem itself. The team behind Tether has continued to innovate, ensuring XAUt is available on multiple high-speed, low-cost blockchains. This interoperability is key. It means users can choose the network that works best for them, whether they prioritize speed, low transaction fees, or a specific DeFi ecosystem. The user experience of acquiring, holding, and transacting with XAUt has become incredibly smooth and accessible. The ability to verify your gold ownership directly on the Tether Gold website with specific bar numbers and details has also built immense trust. This transparency is a stark contrast to the often opaque world of traditional gold ETFs and derivatives, giving XAUt a distinct advantage in the eyes of many investors who demand proof of reserves. So let's tie it all together. The surge of Tether Gold in March 2026 isn't the result of a single event. It's a perfect storm, a convergence of several powerful forces. You have a deteriorating global economic outlook pushing investors towards the safety of gold. You have the unparalleled convenience and efficiency of XAUt as a digital asset, making gold ownership easier than ever before. You have a clearer regulatory environment that has unlocked the torrent of institutional capital. You have the deep and growing integration of XAUt within the mature DeFi ecosystem. And finally, you have ongoing geopolitical instability, which highlights the importance of a borderless, sovereign store of value. Each of these factors on its own is significant, but together, they create a powerful flywheel effect. As more investors buy XAUt for safety, its liquidity and market presence grow. This attracts more institutional players and DeFi developers, which in turn increases its utility and trust. This positive feedback loop is what's driving this incredible surge we're witnessing. It's a validation of the core idea behind XAUt, that the oldest, most trusted store of value can be enhanced and made more accessible through modern technology. What we are seeing is not just a temporary spike. It's a fundamental repricing of an asset whose time has truly come. It represents a major step in the bridging of the old world of finance with the new digital frontier. Thanks so much for watching. It's a fascinating time for digital assets, and the story of Tether Gold is a testament to the innovation happening in this space. What are your thoughts on this? Do you think other factors are at play? Let me know down in the comments. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more deep dives into the world of finance and technology. We'll see you in the next one.